Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to archive a chat on Telegram using the updated methods. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Locate and open the Telegram application on your mobile device. You can find the Telegram app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. 2. The first method. Swipe left on the chat thread or conversation that you want to archive. The chat will now be moved to the archived chats folder. 3. The second method. Long press on a chat until the tick appears. Then tap the 3 dots at the top right corner and select Archive. By following these steps, you can effectively archive a chat on Telegram using either the swipe left method or the long press method. Archiving chats on Telegram helps you organize your conversations by moving them to the archived chats folder, making it easier to manage your chats without deleting them permanently. With these updated methods, archiving chats on Telegram has become more user-friendly and convenient. Thank you for watching, and enjoy keeping your Telegram chats organized by archiving them using these easy steps.